lot of people tell me that we're living the life. I always comment, we're living a life. Yeah.
The day started out with so much promise.
That's WazimuLife for you. Ha! Okay, so Wazimu is a Swahili word. It means madness, crazy, insanity, all of the above that we are.
It is 4 in the morning, and we just got our first knock on the door ever. Yay. From police, and it was a couple hours ago. And there's no overnight parking in this park, so in order for us to be here, we needed to be taking pictures. So we had to wake up at 4 a.m. to go catch some stars and the sunrise. This is WazimuLife. Not gonna say it was worth it, but there are absolutely no tourists. It's freaking beautiful out here, and it's really peaceful. There's Trev. I think people are kind of inclined to say, you know, put down your camera or your phone, or just enjoy the moment. But people don't realize that that's how Trevor and I enjoy the moment, is through the eye of a lens.
So the truth about us right now is that we are not very much off the grid like we would like to be. We're at a kick-ass KOA. Hi, Kourt. Doing our thing there. Met some great people on the road, and was it chasing cash? I can't remember. But they got us 3 nights here after they saw our issues with the truck, because they are rock stars. So we are here in, I don't know where we are. Bar Harbor. Kicking ass, taking names. WazimuLife.
Cheeseburger, veggie burger, lobster.
Yeah, there should be and a seltzer?
Yeah.
Alright, $29.87.
Alright. I do like just absurd numbers every time.
Yeah. $277.
Yeah. 1704. 1704.
So since I stopped drinking alcohol, I started drinking, I don't know, seltzer water, whatever you call it. This one's called Unicorn Kisses. On the description on the back says, once upon a time our great-great-grandfather came upon a unicorn with which he traded his pocket full of rainbows for the sparkle that one day would become polar seltzer. To me this sounds something like very sexual, so I'll give it a shot. Not what I expected, not bad. Just try it.
Well, it doesn't say unicorn urine or like pieces, just says kisses.
None of the good stuff.
None of the good.
Wait, how many unicorns die for one seltzer?
Hot dogs.
How many unicorns die for one seltzer?
Like 6 unicorns. I mean, we used to run wild here in the
terrible.
Until they started making them.
And I'm trying to go vegetarian. Maybe I shouldn't do it.
Kids used to ride on them. They would just
They used to run rampant through the streets,
They're
and
everywhere.
now they're
And now
extinct.
look at us. Look, we have three-wheel bikes we gotta use and things like that. This is just not right.
Yeah, we drank all the damn unicorns.
What do you think?
It tastes colorful.
It does. It's pleasant.
Yeah, it like legitimately tastes colorful. It tastes like a unicorn kiss. How is that?
Fresh.
Fresh. That is a lobster, a Maine lobster.
So, Kourtney's magnificent lobster picture, even though I told her you're probably allergic to lobster since the last time. This will probably be the last lobster she ever has.
I'm not gonna have any now, but I am fine. There's nothing to me.
Yeah. Very slightly allergic to shellfish.
Wait, I'm fine. Apparently, it's an allergy to fresh lobster that I have an issue with, because this one was a little bit more of like a, yeah, I'm allergic to shellfish, for sure. Oh, what a beautiful morning.
Oh, go away.
So I bought Kourtney a stand-up paddleboard that's fully inflatable, which is kind of cool. It's not the best one out there. It's not the cheapest one out there either, so that should be pretty good middle ground. So we're gonna try it out. She's got a pretty cool shot idea in mind, and she's gonna sit with the boys and watch as I screw around. See how it goes.
When Lewis falls in the water, I don't even have an emotion, because I just jump in the water after him, and there wasn't really even time to think. He 100% cannot swim or float at all. So we, found that out, which was good.
Buying the paddleboard for Kourtney, there was a little bit in there for me. I really wanted to see how well I could do with some drone shots of her coming around her as she was paddleboarding, and just kind of seeing how well I could do with drones. I'm not really a drone guy, so this is kind of my first attempt at drone work.
that's it for episode 1. We are headed to the next spot, which is always a little bit of an adventure in this beast. But we would love to hear from you about cool places to get videos or photos or just cool places to check out. So if you could leave that in the comments, that would be awesome. And if you like what you saw so far, then subscribe. But there are tons of breakdowns in our future. So